Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Several days ago, I made a video on how to put a vine or flowers into a letter. And if you didn't watch that one, I'm going to start over. But a viewer or subscriber, so I've got a vine. I'm just going to go, a viewer or subscriber suggested to do a trim, and then I wouldn't have to fill in all the spots with the Smart Fill tool. I can't get that to work, but I did find out a better way that would help. So we're going to contour this flower one time at 0.05. It doesn't matter what size, with rounded corners, and you're going to get that right there. Then go to Object and break the contour apart. Now, I'd already pre-placed this flower into my A, but the other way I did it, I had to fill in a bunch of black spots. So he suggested trim. Well, trim doesn't work, or at least what I'm trying to do. I still appreciate his trying. Maybe I just don't quite really understand, but if you grab it all, and just so happen the red is on top, so we're going to go front minus back. And then what's going to be the saving, instead of having to put all these parts and make them black with the Smart Fill tool, it's still just one curve. So I'm going to right click and make that black, right click and make that black, and then move it over. And then don't forget to select it all. We've still got hairlines there. So go up here and right click your mouse so there's no hairline. You could do quite a few letters of the alphabet that away pretty quickly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.